Hi, this is Swapnil Joshi and I am founder and director of EcoRegen. Education-wise, I have completed engineering and then MBA. And despite of all this technical background, I have entered into social venture EcoRegen. Why I have entered? Because I have identified very interesting facts that each year we purchase clothes, new clothes. We use it say for 1 year, 2 years, and after that, how we dispose it and how we decompose it. So we just give it to any NGO or we give it to any needy person. But have we ever thought what happens to these old clothes when they have used it again? When we have done detailed research on it, we come to know that all these old clothes are eventually going on landfill, where it almost takes 40 years to 100 years of time span for decomposition. And when these old clothes get decomposed, it mainly get produced two gases. One is carbon dioxide and second one is methane. Now methane traps heat 28 times more, which is causing global warming. Hence, we need to understand that old clothes are equally contributing in global warming. Now, considering the old clothes scenario in India, 68% of total population purchase new clothes each month, and out of that, 53% discard their clothes after using for 1 year or 2 years. And eventually, 80% of old clothes are going in landfill, and only 8% we are using as a second-hand clothing. This is the process. This is a complete cycle where we purchase new clothes, we give it to NGO, we use it as second-hand clothing, and finally it is going on landfill. Well, we have Equorigen has done research on it and we have identified very interesting facts. When we are going to recycle or reuse 1 kg of old clothes again, it is going to save 3.6 kg of CO2 emission, 0.3 kg of fertilizer use, 6,000 liter of water consumption average, and 0.2 kg of pesticide use. Ecoregen is a brand which accepts all types of old clothes and we recycle and upcycle them into very unique, sustainable and fashionable ways. Now let's understand how Ecoregen works. We do valuation of old clothes at 10 rupees per kg wise and in exchange to that people can able to purchase our product. For example, if person is having 20 kg, the value will come 200 and if he is going to purchase product of 500 then 200 will get deduct from that. And in this way we are completing the cycle. For the collection, we do various campaigns at various corporate, society, and exhibitions. In upcycling process, whatever old clothes we receive, we do segregation of clothes, we do washing of clothes, and then we do designing on it. In recycling process, whatever clothes we receive, we take thread out of clothes, we bundle that thread together to form a new thread, and out of that we manufacture recycled products. In eco-vegan upcycle products, we have used each and every portion of old clothes again. Like we have used the flap, trousers, kurti, denim, and left floor cutting board. In recycled products, we have carpets, utranji, chadar, sofa patti, this kind of product. In 2019, we have entered into fashion sector where we have launched our own fashion show where we have used the old clothes as apparels and we have manufactured these trousers, sari. We have used these kind of old clothes and we have made all these apparels like tie, denim, and shirts. So currently, Ecoregen is having 70 plus product under recycle, reuse, and fashion category. And soon we are going to launch it in home decor also. We have established our own showroom where people can come, they can able to purchase the product. And to manufacture all these products, we have established our own women empowerment center where we are giving training to needy women, and these women are only making all these products. There is another aspect to the old clothes, like soldier old clothes, where they can't able to give it to somebody or they can't able to sell it. So Ecoregen has come forward. We are providing solution to them where we accept their old clothes and in exchange we are giving these kind of upcycled products to them. Considering competitor, we have three competitors right now, where Boon is a non-profit organization. Feudal Age is particularly working on industrial waste, and House of Wandering is particularly working silk. Why we are different? Because we are extensively working on household waste. Second thing, we are able to reach as we are manufacture the recycled products. We are giving value to the people, and in exchange to that, they are able to purchase the products. And we have positioned ourselves like a brand, and that's why we focus more on the product design. This is our revenue model where we have showroom, event, exhibition, online B2C. we are selling online B2B, we are selling, and we have the dealers export franchise and shopping place. This is our target audience. We have age group of 25 to 34 and gender wise 74% are women and 26% men. We are going to target Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Nashik, Kolhapur cities in upcoming 5 years. In last 2 years, we have achieved like number of clothes we have collected 30,000 kg. Product which we have upcycled, recycled 6,500 plus product we have manufactured. Last year sale was 12 lakh. 3,400 plus green citizens has associated with our initiative. 20 plus men and women we have empowered, and in all this ecosystem we have able to reduce 1,08,000 kg of CO2 and methane emissions. Marketing wise, electronic media help us to get connect to more people. This is print media, and this is the electronic media where we have got aired on ABP, Maza News Channel, Tam News Channel. Also, we have entered into retail sector where we have tie-up with all the shops. We have launched as a shopping shop where we have tie-up with Venus Traders, Keya Store, and we have crossed the Hyderabad and Aurangabad also. We have established our shopping shop concept. We give training to needy women in various society with the help of social help groups, with the help of Rotary also. Till date, we have this is our co-founder information where we have raised 13 lakh as an investment and other was like cash credit term loan. We are expecting funding of 5 crore. In next 5 years, we are going to target all the tier 1 cities through shopping shop and franchisee model. In next 5 years, we are aiming to reduce carbon emission by 10 lakh kg. As last month our Prime Minister mentioned regarding the we need to reduce the carbon footprint. We want to launch our recycle mall, and also we want to expand ourselves in tier 1 and tier 2 cities. And with the help of this, we are targeting to generate employment for 10,000 leading men and women. We are looking forward to expand immediately in Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, and other tier 1 cities. And as compared to intake of coal, we need to increase the production capacity. And to increase the production capacity, we are looking for the financial support. We want to get connect to corporate companies for CSR fund, and also we want to get connect to central government as well as state government for the waste management. This is all about me. This is Swapnil Joshi. I have completed engineering and MBA. And in 2013, I have received National Level Young Entrepreneur Award at IIT Bombay. These are our two co-founders who's having their own expertise in their own field and they are helping Ecoregain to provide further. This is our team, our first women empowerment center. So thank you. I think we need to understand the importance of old clothes waste, and I think we usually talk about the e-waste and plastic waste, but old clothes waste is far more serious than that, and we need to take necessary action right now by recycling it.